The Total Automotive Deluxe Hinge Repair Kit is a time and cost-saving alternative to aftermarket and factory repair kits. The kits are available for General Motors C and K Series trucks and SUVs, model years 1999 to 07, and GM S&T Series SUVs, model years 2002 to 08. With Total Automotive, you get higher quality hinge repair kits that are not only easier to install, but serviceable after the repair. The hinge replacement parts are precisely engineered, reducing the repair time to 30 minutes or less. And the repair can be done just as easy in the do-it-yourselfer's garage as the professional body shop. Let's take a look at the labor-saving installation. The first step is to detach the door by removing the upper and lower 10mm hinge bolts that secure the door to the vehicle. Next, remove the door check bolt. You're now ready to remove the door. Lift the door from the pins and transfer it out of the opening. If you don't have a door stand, you may be able to hang the door from an overhead rafter or other support. Simply lower the window and secure the door from above. Before you start removal of the existing hinge, take a few minutes to protect the vehicle interior. You can use a cardboard cutout or other protective material. Using a right-angle grinder, cut-off wheel, or other tool, carefully grind away the peened end of the pins, grinding all the way through to the washer on the lower pin and flush with the bracket on the upper pin. You'll be replacing the washer and the bracket, so don't worry about damaging them. Remove the upper and lower pins on each hinge. With the peened ends removed, you can now press the pins from the bracket. Total Automotive's pin removal tool simplifies the removal of the existing pins from the factory hinges. It's manufactured from hardened steel and functions as a press using a socket wrench and the existing bracket for leverage. Removing the lower pin first will provide more room to remove the upper pin. This removal tool eliminates the competition's process of having to pound out the pins with a hole punch. Pounding takes longer and often results in bending the bracket portion of the hinge welded to the A-pillar, which will then no longer rotate on a true axis. If this happens, you'll be forced to replace the complete hinges at a cost exceeding $1,000. With the Total Automotive pin removal tool, you'll remove the pins in seconds. Next, remove the worn bushings and discard along with the pins and bracket. The Deluxe Repair Kit includes a new bracket, pins, bushings, washers, and nuts. Everything you need to not only rebuild the hinge, but make it better than new. Start by placing the oil-impregnated bronze bushings into the body side hinges, lubricating them with white lithium grease. The competitors use brass bushings that are more prone to wear. You're now ready to position the new inside bracket. Total Automotive's brackets come in a standard dichromate coating that require no painting, but are also available pre-painted in all of the factory paint colors. With the competitor's hinge kit, you would now have to paint the underside of the bracket that was damaged while grinding off the peened portion of the pin. That means additional labor and materials. Total Automotive stainless steel, CNC lathed and threaded replacement pins are rust-resistant and provide superior durability. The competition uses lower-quality zinc-coated screw-machined pins that have shorter knurls and many even lack flats to prevent rotation during installation. These visible grooves in the factory pins will cause premature bushing wear and failure. Total Automotive provides two pins of different lengths. The longer pin is used to secure the upper portion of the bracket. Slide the pins into position and finger tighten into the bracket. The bracket is threaded to ensure perfect alignment with the pin every time. Then, using a 15mm open-ended wrench, secure each pin into position. The competitors' poorly designed lower-quality pins rely on a knurl that must be forced into the bracket. Due to the variances in the hole sizes in the factory brackets, extra torque may be required to pull the pin into place, often snapping the pin at the base of the knurl. Without threads, the competitor's pin is often misaligned. The result will be uneven pressure on the bushings, which will lead to faster bushing wear and poor operation. Total Automotive washers are the same size and shape as the factory originals. With the washers in place, use a 15 mm wrench to hold the pin securely in place and tighten the stainless steel lock nut. Do not use air or power tools, as too much force may damage the pins. The shorter lower pin is installed using the same method. Thread the pin into the new bracket and install the washer and nut. Repeat the same process to repair the second hinge. You now have perfectly aligned hinges and are ready to reattach the door. Let's examine the real cost of repair versus the competition. Parts cost. The competitors' kits will cost $60 to $120, $30 to $60 each per kit. Total Automotive's Deluxe hinge kits are $109.90, $54.95 per kit. Mechanical labor for the competition is 1 to 1.5 hours, or $60 to $100. Total Automotive's installs in less than 30 minutes, only $30 to $50. With the competition, it may be necessary to remount the bracket holes, resulting in another 30 to 60 minutes of labor at a cost of $30 to $60 for body shops or $50 to $100 for service departments. Total Automotive is a perfect fit every time. Mix and paint labor using the OE bracket is 30 to 60 minutes at an additional cost of $30 to $60 for body shops. Service departments will have to purchase paint, and the additional labor will be $50 to $100. Total Automotive kits require no painting. In addition, if future maintenance is required, the competition requires a complete factory hinge replacement, costing $800 to $1,000. With a Total Automotive hinge kit, you simply replace the bushings for about $5. The competition offers no warranty. With Total Automotive, you get a full 12-month, 12,000-mile warranty. The total cost of the repair for the competition ranges from $180 to $420, depending on whether you're a body shop or service department. Total Automotive's complete repair is $109.90 with just 30 minutes of labor. Unlike the competition, Total Automotive's Deluxe Hinge Repair Kit allows for future maintenance. Simply unscrew the pins and replace the bushings. We're so sure of the quality of our kits, we provide a full 12-month, 12,000-mile parts and labor warranty, providing that our pin removal tool is used to remove the pins correctly. And we're not alone in recognizing quality. Popular Mechanics awarded Total Automotive with their Editor's Choice Award for one of the best new products of the year at the Apex Show in Las Vegas. The competition solution just doesn't stand up when compared to Total Automotive's Deluxe Hinge Repair Kit. Save time, increase profits, and get a better quality repair. Do it right the first time with Total Automotive.